how to enable or disable quick panel on left side on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then tap on the Settings icon. And here tap on that pencil icon. And then tap on that pencil icon. And then we tap on Panel Settings. And here we go down and tap on Quick Panel on left side. So tap on the toggle button if you want to set the quick panel on the right side. If you switch it on, it will be on the left side. Here we have set it to the left side. So if I want to open up Quick Settings, I need to swipe on the left side here. Here, if I swipe on the right side, it will open up Notifications. Okay, so now I will switch it to my right side. And here, if I swipe down on the right, it will open up Quick Settings. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.